Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to switch between FixMe IT remote support sessions. If you have a number of active support sessions, you can simply open the home menu, find the one you want to switch to, and select it by clicking the left mouse button. While running the remote desktop control operation in full screen mode, you'll receive notifications about any approved sessions, chat messages, or completed file transfers. If you get an important message, you may click on the notification to switch to this support session. After that, you'll be redirected to the expert main form with the selected support session highlighted and its toolbar and chat updated accordingly. Apart from that, you can also switch between sessions while running the remote desktop control operation in window mode. In this case, notifications about new chat messages, etc. will pop up in the bottom right corner of the screen. In order to switch to this support session, click on the notification message, and then again, you'll be redirected to the expert main form. Note that as soon as you switch to another support session, any running drag and drop or copy and paste operations will be cancelled, and any remote control or view operation will be paused. However, both send file and local control or view operations will continue running in the background. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel for more demos and how-tos.